Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. Myself Professor VK Mehta. I am working as an assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. Today I will give you brief idea about mechanical engineering. What are the roles and responsibility of the mechanical engineer in the industry? There are various career opportunity in the government as well as private sector, and we will also discuss which subject mechanical engineer will study in their career. So first of all, what is mechanical engineering? So basically mechanical engineering, it will be divided into three domains: thermal, design and manufacturing. Mechanical engineering, it is a broad field and it is the core branch of engineering. Mechanical engineer will work with electrical engineer in the power sector to generate the electricity by various methods, like as by solar, by nuclear energy, through thermal power plant, gas turbine power plant. These are the various methods to generate the electricity. So mechanical engineer, they will also work with chemical engineer in process industry, where there is a heat exchanger to exchange the heat between the hot fluid and cold fluid. They will also work with civil engineer to construct the dam. They will work on different projects. Mechanical engineer will also work with aerospace engineer in aircraft industries. They will work with automobile engineer in automobile industries. So this is the role and responsibility of the mechanical engineer in industry. They will also work in interdisciplinary field. Now we will discuss various job opportunities in government as well as private sector. So as we know that there are a number of top recruitment companies in India. We also heard about it. So the first one is ISRO. In ISRO, mechanical engineer will work with different fields of engineer on the project. They will work in interdisciplinary field. The second one is BEL. It will produce the electricity. There is a requirement of mechanical engineer in every year. And this recruitment, it is based on GATE exams. The next one is NTPC. This is a thermal power plant project company. They will work on the power sector. This company, it will work on power, how to produce the electricity. The next one is BARC, GNFC, ONGC, power sector companies like as in Gujarat, GSECL, PGVCL. So these are the different power sector companies, in which a mechanical engineer, they will work to produce the electricity. Mechanical engineer, they will also work in engineering colleges and diploma colleges as a lecturer and assistant professor. So this is the good opportunity for the mechanical engineer in teaching field. In ITIs, in ITIs, the principal as well as a supervisor, this basic requirement for the government employee is minimum qualification is BTech, BE or MTech. So they will also work in teaching field in ITIs and diploma as well as engineering colleges. The next opportunity of the mechanical engineering in government field, in Air Force, in Navy, in aircraft. So even though in RTO also mechanical engineer is also higher. They will hire the mechanical as well as automobile engineer. So these are the all government opportunities for the mechanical engineer. They will work in agriculture field, they will work in pharmaceutical company, they will work in biomedical field, they will work in DRDO, defense, in automobile sector, in power sector. So there is a giant requirement in government. So in mechanical engineer, there is a vast opportunity in government sector as compared to the other sector. So if you prefer government job, then you can choose mechanical engineer, because in mechanical engineering there is a huge opportunity in government sector as well as in private sector. All of you heard about Tata group of companies, in Reliance group of companies, in Adani group of companies. They will hire the mechanical engineer in their manufacturing field, in power sector, in their process industries. So this is the requirement. So this is also required in manufacturing industry. So all of you heard about the L&T, okay, Lanson and Turbo, okay, they will manufacture a boiler, heat exchanger, okay. So in this company, there is the huge requirement of the mechanical engineer in every year. So these are the private sector in which there is a huge requirement of mechanical engineer. Okay, the next one is Bosch India. Okay, it is the automobile related company. Thermax, it is the power sector related company. Then Godrej group of company, this is the company related with the air conditioning and refrigeration. We have already discussed mechanical engineering. It will be divided in three domains: thermal, design and manufacturing. So thermal means it is the branch of science which deals with the heat and mass transfer. Okay, so thermal means it is related with the heat transfer. So in air conditioning and refrigeration, okay, they will work, it will work related with the heat to maintain the temperature, okay, to cold storage. Okay, so these are the opportunity for the mechanical engineer. The next one is shipping industries. Okay, in shipping industry, they will also recruit mechanical engineers, okay, in their field work, as well as in manufacturing of the ship. So in automobile sector, there is a huge requirement of the mechanical engineer. Okay, there are lots of company in India related with the manufacturing of the automobile parts as well as vehicles. Okay, like as Tata group of company, Maruti's, okay, Honda group of company. They will also hire the mechanical engineer in their workshop, okay, as a technician and supervisor. Okay, the next one is agriculture group of company. Okay, you know about all types of harvester. Okay, so in that type of company, they will also hire the mechanical engineer. The next one is biomedical equipment companies. Okay, biomedical equipment company, so means biomedical engineer, they will work with mechanical engineer in their project. Okay, so it is again interdisciplinary field. So in mechanical engineering, there is a wide range of career opportunity in India as well as abroad. So this is all about mechanical engineer career opportunity in the private as well as government field. Now we will discuss what you study in mechanical engineer in 3-year and 4-year course. So it is the 3-year course for D2D after diploma, and it is the 4-year course after 12th science. The subject like engineering thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, IC engine, heat and mass transfer, fluid power engineering, power plant engineering, oil hydraulics and pneumatics, manufacturing processes, material science, okay, engineering graphics, theory of machines, dynamic of machinery, automobile engineering, internal combustion engine. Okay, so they will work on how to improve the efficiency of the engine. Okay, how combustion will be take place. Okay, how can we reduce the losses in the IC engine? How can we improve the efficiency of the engine? Okay, in automobile engineering, they will learn, okay, about the aerodynamic shape of the automobile. Okay, how can we save the fuel in the automobile? Okay, different technology which is used in the automobile. Okay, all of you heard about TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. Okay, ABS, anti-lock braking system, EBD, electronic brake force distribution. So these are the active as well as passive safety system it is used in the automobile. So this is the study of automobile engineering in which they will work on different types of safety system. How can we improve the performance of the automobile? Okay, how can we reduce the emissions in the engine? So this is the study of IC engine and automobile engineering in their academic. The next one is fluid mechanics. Okay, in fluid mechanics, they will learn about how to construct the dam. Okay, how can we reduce the losses in the pipe? Okay, how can we generate the electricity by using fluid? How hydroelectric power plant work? They will learn about the viscosity. They will learn about the basic law like as Archimedes, Pascal's law. Okay, how hydraulic lifts work. Okay, how hydraulic system or hydraulic brake work. Okay, so these are the fundamental, okay, fundamental principle. Okay, they will learn in their fluid mechanics and fluid power engineering subject. The next subject is production technology. In production technology, they will learn about the different types of forces are acting on the tool. Okay, like as in CNC, VMC, all the machines we are using tool. Okay, so we need to calculate the different forces. Okay, we need to measure the forces. Okay, we need to calculate the forces. Okay, so this is the study in production technology subject. The next one is manufacturing process 1 and manufacturing process 2. Okay, so in manufacturing process 1 and 2, they will learn about the casting process. Okay, how can we prepare the mold for the casting. Okay, they will learn about the different types of casting, like as investment casting. Okay, they will learn about the centrifugal casting. They will learn about the different types of weldings. They will learn about the different types of machinery, like as lathe machine, drilling machine, CNC machine, VMC machine. Okay, so they will learn different machineries in manufacturing process 1 and manufacturing process 2. The next subject is power plant engineering. Okay, in power plant engineering, they will learn about, okay, how thermal power plant work, on which cycle it will work. Okay, per hour, how much amount of coal it will consume, types of boiler, okay, types of furnaces, okay, design, calculation of the chimney. Okay, they will learn about the different types of power plant. We can also produce the electricity by nuclear power plant. We can also produce the electricity by gas turbine power plant. Okay, so in power plant engineering, they will learn about the different components of the power plant engineering, as well as how can we improve the efficiency of the power plant. The next subject is renewable energy. So as we know that, okay, our today's recent trend is solar energy. Okay, so in renewable energy, how can we generate the electricity by windmill? How can we generate the electricity by tidal power plant? How can we generate the electricity by wave energy? How can we generate the electricity by geothermal energy? So these are the various scope for renewable energy. So mechanical engineer will also work on solar steel, okay, to distillate the water, purify the water, okay, from the saline water, or we can say brine water. So the next subject is air conditioning and refrigeration system. So it is the branch of mechanical engineering in which the study of air conditioning and refrigeration. So in air conditioning and refrigeration, they will work on temperature. It will maintain the temperature. Air conditioning, it will maintain the temperature of the atmosphere, as well as it will control the humidity. It will purify the air. So central AC nowadays it is used in the mall, okay, in cinemas. Okay, so they will also work how to calculate the load turn capacity for the air conditioning system. They will design the duct for central AC. They will work on refrigerant. Okay, how can we find out the new refrigerant, and it will improve the COP of the refrigeration system, as well as it will reduce the depletion of the ozone layer.
The other subject like Industry 4.0. Okay, in this subject they will learn about AI. Okay, as we know that, okay, in recent trends, okay, artificial intelligence, okay, it is in current trends. Robotics, advanced technology, okay, smart autonomous system that use computer-based algorithm to monitor and control physical things like machinery, robotics and vehicle.
So mechanical engineer, it will work in each and every field. They will work in biomedical field, they will work in air conditioning and refrigeration field, they will work in automobile field, they will work in manufacturing field, they will work in ceramic field, okay, they will work in material science, material technology, okay, they will also work on nanotechnology, okay, nanoparticles, nanomaterials. Okay, so this is the huge scope for mechanical engineer. So I insist to students, okay, in future, okay, there is a giant requirement in the company, because in India, okay, the industry growth is day by day increases. So there is a huge requirement of mechanical engineer in future. So I insist all of you select mechanical engineer for their career and make your bright future in mechanical engineering. So guys, if you want to know about other engineering branches, so give your comment in comment box. If I found a number of comments on same topic, then I will definitely prepare a video for you. So if you would like to watch this type of more videos, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends. Thank you, friends.